Okay, we can get started with the class guided practice. Number 1, there were 6 children at the party. Mrs. Parsons put 5 strawberries on each child's dish of ice cream. Draw a picture to show the strawberries on the dish of ice cream. What type of story problem is this? Okay, so there were 6 children at the party. Let's underline our important information. 6 children, and she put 5 strawberries on each child's plate. So we're going to draw a picture to show the strawberries on the dishes of ice cream. But first we want to know what type of story problem is this. Think about it. Yes, it is an equal groups type of story problem. Equal groups. All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw our, I guess we have 6 kids with plates. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw my plates too big. But then we're going to add our 5 strawberries on each plate. All right, so how many strawberries did Mrs. Parsons use all together? So let's think of a number sentence we can use to solve this problem. So we might want to start off with our groups. So how many groups do we have? Get ready. Yes, we have 6 groups of. Do you remember groups of means times? Times groups, 6 groups of 5 strawberries. So 6 times 5 equals 30. Okay, so our number sentence is 6 times 5. 6 groups of 5 equals 30 strawberries. So the answer is 30 strawberries. Use the graph to answer the questions. How many children chose winter? So let's look at our graph. We have spring, summer, fall, winter on one side, and the numbers of children across the bottom by 2s. So let's look at winter, and we can see that we have 2, 4, and then half of that other one. So how many children chose winter? Get ready. Yes, 5. All right, how many more children chose, now we're going to focus, how many more children chose spring than fall? So we're going to look at fall, and then we're going to look at spring. We're going to see that fall's right there. So how many more children chose spring? Get ready. Yes, 5. And down at the bottom it says, write one fact about the information on the graph. So we can say, one thing we could say is that summer was the children's most favorite season. Now you could say something else, whatever you would like about that graph, but that's just one option that I chose. Okay, number 3 says circle the letters that have parallel line segments. All right, do you remember what parallel means? Get ready. Yes, parallel line segments mean that there are 2 lines going the exact same direction. All right, so let's see. I don't see any with A. E looks like it has some parallel line segments. Not L. M does. And Z. Good. So number 4 says write a mixed number to show how much is shaded. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3. And how much is shaded right here? Get ready. 1/3. So our mixed number should be 3 1/3. All right, number 5, it says write the products. So we are going to multiply. Remember, we should be practicing our multiplication facts for 2s and 5s. So 2 times 4 equals, get ready. Yes, 8. 2 times 8 equals, get ready. 16. 2 times 3 equals, get ready. 6. 2 times 7 equals, get ready. 14. 2 times 5 equals, get ready. 10. 2 times 9 equals, get ready. 18. 2 times 1 equals, get ready. 2. 2 times 6 equals, get ready. 12. 2 times 4 equals, get ready. 4. 2 times 0 equals, get ready. 0. 2 times 10 equals, get ready. 20. Good job.